Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and happy early Valentine's Day. So in our house, every year we do something for Valentine's Day. I begin with decorating the house, and then obviously I will get treat bags and stuff ready for the kids for school. And this year I have two kids who are, one is in kindergarten and one is in third grade. So both of them are boys, so it's kind of tricky with boys, you know, they don't want to be too mushy and all that. I think they really enjoy it though when we actually make goodie bags and stuff like that. They get into it and they love taking it to school, and they always love bringing stuff back from school, those little treat bags and little candies and pencils that they get. So this year I didn't go all out. We kept it pretty simple. This year I am including some of these mugs that I picked up at Walmart. I picked up four. My third grader has one teacher and my kindergartner has three teachers. He's in a PPCD program for autistic children, so that's why he has three different teachers there. His main homeroom teacher, plus he has two other assistants, behavior and speech assistants. So I took the boys with me to shop at Walmart, and we picked out some Fun Dips and Skittles, and also some Red Velvet Kit Kats, which were themed for the Valentines, and also some mixed bags, like those big old candy bags that have like mixed candies. So I picked out some of the M&M packs that were individual and set those aside. So I'm going to be using those inside these mugs for the teachers as well. And we also stopped by at Target to pick up these little cards. This actually came in a pack of 60, which is a lot. I only needed 4, so I'm just going to save the rest for maybe the next couple of years so I can use those. So it's all about assembling. So I have my assembly line set up here. I have my coffee mugs for the teachers, and I'm just putting in like 1 pack of Starbucks, 1 pack of the M&Ms, a couple of those Red Velvet Kit Kats, and also the little card. So before I even get started on any of that, I went ahead and opened up the Fun Dips and the Starbucks, and they actually included for Valentine's Day these little peel stickers where you can write the name of who it's from and who it's going to go to, like a to and from, and it's blank. The Fun Dips actually had it labeled on their body, so I'm just writing Ishan's name on these because these are from Ishan, so these are going to go to his classmates. And the beginning, I went ahead and peeled off those little stickers and just labeled each one, or actually stuck each sticker onto the body of the Skittles, and I just wrote Erod's name on all of those right there. So I've got enough for each student in their classes, and I'm just putting together the teacher mugs. And so yeah, just 1 M&M, a couple of Kit Kats, and some Skittles, and the card that I wrote out for the teacher. And that's basically it. Each teacher will have the same thing, so it's nothing complicated. It's pretty simple. And obviously Isla was helping me through the whole thing, and she was just munching on like candy after candy. I didn't give her that much. I just gave her some Skittles so she can have one at a time, and it wasn't overwhelming for her while I worked on this. It's really easy to make budget-friendly gifts for teachers and for the classroom. You're not breaking the bank. These Fun Dips probably cost me maybe $2 or $3. Also, the Skittle pack, they also were like $2 or $3. The only thing that was expensive here were just these mugs. They were like $3 a piece. So that's probably the only thing that was pretty much expensive. I did not have time to make any DIY projects this year, so I kept that store-bought. If you can do DIY, more power to you. I just don't have the time right now, so I went ahead and just purchased all the little fun goodies. And I just think it looks much better and put together because everything is just appropriate for the holiday. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also find me on these other social media platforms. And I will see you guys on another one. Take care. Bye.